I don't think there's any other tool in the world that's as able to, allow you to take something that's in your head and, create it and put it in front of someone else to share with them. Hey everyone, I'm Derek Elliott, and I'm a 3D designer and animator. My background is in industrial design, working with brands and businesses to help them visualize products, bring advertisements into the world. In today's class, we're going to keep it really basic. I'm going to get you up to speed on the fundamentals of using Blender and all the real basic stuff that you need to know before you get started. We're just getting you a little bit used to the interface, and we'll start building out some of your first few objects and maybe even doing a little lighting and rendering as well, so that you've got something you can show your mom. So the potential with Blender truly is limitless. Maybe you come from an industrial design background like me, or maybe you're a graphic designer, or maybe you're an architectural designer and you want to start rendering out your architecture projects. Those are all things you can do in Blender. So even though we're going to just end with one simple render of some pots in the sunlighting, you can take those same skills that we'll cover in this class and start making many other objects of your own, because the skills we cover here today are so base level and so important. You can create all sorts of artwork that you're proud of, that you can show your friends, and you can even start to potentially get some work for. Thanks so much for being here today. I'm excited you've decided to take this class and start your Blender journey. Let's get started.